Hello and welcome back to our podcast series. So today I'm going to be sharing my YouTube journey as She Walkin as we almost touch 5 years on YouTube as a walking community and how has it been really. So when I started YouTube, I already loved traveling and I was really interested in how the camera works. So uh, I always wanted to be a director since childhood, and I love when I have the camera in my hand. And when both of these things got together and we started our YouTube, that is when a lot of experiences, all a lot of things happened, right? Earlier, I would only go to like really peaceful places. I wouldn't really want to be around a lot of crowd, marketplaces, and all of that. But after She Walk-In, I realized that majority or like a lot of our audience wants to see the chaotic streets of India, the crazy markets of India. And that is when the emotion to begin with was okay, I have to do this. But eventually, I just fell in love with you know, how crazy India can be. All the crazy streets, all the things happening in one. Like you look at one direction, and there are so many things happening on uh, a lot of places in India. So yeah, I would definitely thank Shivokin for opening this side of India to me as well, which without exploring, I was sort of um, letting go, sort of. I wish I had a mic. I hope I am audible. Um, okay, apart from that, as a YouTuber, we got monetized in 1 year, right? So we started making money after 1 year of She Walking. But making money on YouTube is not easy. Like, um, there was a time when one of our Haridwar videos worked really well, and that is when we were making a lot of money. But then it was violating the YouTube policy because there was a Naga Baba, and Naga Baba basically is the man who has renounced clothes, and that was our thumbnail. So YouTube just put down that video, and it gave me a copyright claim. And ever since then, so at that point, I was making a lot of money. Like I was really happy with my journey, and I was really pumped. But then for some reason YouTube just put down that video, and the overall growth of our channel just went downhill. And even right now we are not doing so well monetary wise. So earlier I was thinking, yeah, weekly. Yeah, so earlier my goal was just She Walk-In. Like I thought, if I am going to make a lot of money, then this is my entire everything. I will be traveling a lot. I'll be making a lot of content. Maybe we can get a lot of cameras. Maybe we can get a team. But that didn't work out. So with She Walk-In now, I am also like working with my sister, and I'm doing the videography and video editing. So that is also fun. Exploring new fields and working on a different idea. So that is interesting. I'm loving it. And with She Walking, like now I've made peace with that. Okay, we are not going to be making a lot of money. We're going to be making peanuts only. So now we do She Walking only for love, like for the love of our country and for the love of travel and for the love of our community that is like super supportive. Shout out to my amazing community. Shout out to my amazing community of She Walking on Patreon, on YouTube, and people supporting me on Buy Me a Coffee. It's because of you guys that we are actually, still here doing stuff. Because when you don't get successful, you do tend to, shut something off completely because you put all your energy into something, but then you didn't get any success. But because of the support of my audience, I am still doing it, and hopefully we'll still keep on walking in different places, first in India and then all over the world. So yeah, that is my journey of She Walk, and I hope it was something like it wasn't. um, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for watching. Namaste.